What's happening, guys? This is the weekly vlog. Yep, that's a thing now. Alright guys, well, today, wow, right. Alright. There we go. Alright, so today, I just got my new camera in, the Canon M50. So what I'm wanting to do is go in here, a place that I never ever go, and try to find some of my old camera equipment. Yeah, this should be fun. Well, this is an absolute mess. This thing's pretty cool. Could come in handy. Stands for lights and stuff like that. Backdrop stands, completely covered in dust, which is really nasty. I'll have to clean those up. I don't know where the actual rod is for the backdrop stands. Somewhere in all of this mess, hopefully. These are backdrops. Got standard white. I used to do a lot of photography and stuff like that. Oh, here's one right in front of me. White with a chewed up cord. That's an easy enough fix. White. Yep, this one's got a cord. One. White. Yeah, I figured we'll be doing vlogs and stuff like that. Maybe I should crack open some of this stuff. See what I can do. Don't knock over the camera. So that is a black backdrop. Oh man. This is really scary because I've got my camera sitting right over there. And I'm nervous that I'm going to knock it down. Alright, so we found a black backdrop and we found a white backdrop. I don't know what I'm going to use them for, but we'll figure something out, right? Leatherman. Always got to have one of these. Them very handy. A gray backdrop. Those are kind of cool. I used to use them all the time. It's really hot in here. A bar that goes in between my stands. I've not seen yet. And it could be anywhere. Alright, so like I said, we are trying to get everything organized right now. And I've got a lot of stuff. Camera bag, it's got a Rebel in it. Camera bag. Not really sure what's in there. This thing is cool. It'll focus. There it is. This thing is cool. This will actually shoot in 4K. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like this one a lot. It'll go underwater, so I can do underwater photography with it. That is always fun. Yeah. Tripod, monopod, gimbal. So that gimbal's cool. Yeah, that one. And I actually do, I think my last video I used this one on it. Yeah, I like this one a lot. Alright, so me and the boy are about to go for a bike ride. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, this should be fun. This is awesome bike.
Mongoose.
So yeah, this should be fun. And here's my bike. It's laying down because it doesn't have a kickstand. So yeah, here we go. What's happening, guys? Well, we're just out here riding bikes, having a little bit of fun. Yeah, enjoying our Friday night. I'm tired.
It's fun.
It is fun.
I wish I would have brought water.
Actually, yeah, that would have been a good idea. We should have brought some water. I bet you there's a water hose around here.
Yeah.
We'll find a water hose.
Yeah, we'll drink.
And
We will drink.
yeah, get some water. You all right? That's the spirit. Good job.
Hey, anyone who's viewing this video, comment down below if you think that trick was cool or not.
I think they're gonna say yes. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you made it this far, you have definitely hit level awesome. If you're new to the channel, why don't you consider hitting the subscribe button. If you want to smash it, even better. Like, subscribe, share, all the cool stuff that we YouTubers like for you to do. I think it's cool. Alright guys, and I will see you next time. The dog is barking. I love you. You have to stay back. Barking. Burgles. Whatever. I think my beard looks okay. Do I look cool if I do this? You're damn right I do. Smash that like button. Bye. That's really stupid. Like, it's like I'm gonna knock my camera over. Why do people do that? I guess it looks cool. It does look cool. Alright, bye. You know what looks even cooler than that? This.